Perfect. Me too. We'll uninstall this speaker eventually. Just don't do the outside. Don't get any of this messed up, okay?
Okay.
What do you think? Pinch it and then pull out. Giggity. There you go. That's a good chunk. Custom. Oh. Trust the process. Pew, 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 pew. Ricochet. Yes, sir. Pew. Baby pew. Even if it just pokes you in the face, it'll be alright. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Really mint stuff.
Hey, look at this. Some nice tire parts.
Stuff is mint.
Bob the Builder over there.
Whoa.
Or like Bob the Destroyer.
Bob the Breaker. Make sure you keep your safeties on. Stuff be ricocheting.
New ones. Old ones.
Old and busted, new hotness. Old and busted, new hotness.
Huh? What you say?
The old and busted and the new hotness.
Bob the Destroyer.
Jeez. Just
Pew!
break that off there. Keep breaking stuff.
My kneecap's warm.
Dude, this speaker was so rotten. Look at this. Look at zoom in right there. It's actually not even attached.
Figure's taking up the whole video.
Why are you zooming in so hard?
Pew! Pew!
All right. What's this for? That's the quick way to take out the speaker. All right. That's custom connector. Break out the rest of this joint.
Hey, can I destroy more?
Everything's pretty much out of there.
Oh.
Everything now is just like the fine detail stuff.
Nice and toasty.
Get the heater on there.
Woo!
There.
Ooh, cool.
That's the fast way to do it.
So
I guess on these smart cars, in order to take out the speaker, you've got to take off the outer door panel, the outside, and then people have problems because they won't seal back up, and then they get whistling noises. So it's just easier to cut this shit out and mount the speaker into the top of the door panel, and it only protrudes about a 1/4 inch tops, so it's not that big of a deal. You won't even notice it. And then I'll just cut these tabs off, clearance it, and it'll be good to go. This stuff's easy enough to cut with a razor blade. Alright, pause it for now. Nothing fun for now.
Yeah.
You know when you're filming.
I am. Five years later.
Looks pretty good.
10 centuries later. Haha.
Little dingleberry.
Worse than before.
Or the what?
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 Okay.
Okay.
So there's like an inner plastic ring as a part of the mold of the door panel. You pretty much just cut this kind of flush to that, and then you're ready to hang speakers. Just that easy.
Ah, my knee is burning.
Oh, turn that thing away from you.
Your fat ear is in the way.
Just gotta walk the knife.
5,000 years later.
Yeah, just right where you want it. Cuts pretty good.
Your ear is still in the way.
Well, why don't you move it so it's not in the way?
I can't. You're the one moving.
That's true. Very true.
As always. Pew. Your fat arm is in the way.
Alright, pause that for now. You gotta pause?
Nope.
Pause it.
Okay. Ooh, orange.
Do me if you get turn on the thing.
So loud.
Kill it!
When?
Alright, I'll snug it down by hand. Wherever the other screwdriver is. Oh, it's right here. There we go. Okay, put the key on, turn on the radio.
Okay.
Let's see what it sounds like. Cool. Want to turn off the fan on the top?
This?
Top in the middle? Above there.
Oh,
Yeah,
this?
the one on the left side.
Left side? This one?
It's a fan, yep. Is it down?